everyone! So today, we are going to do an unboxing of my new headset. So, I bought this at AV Surfer if you're located in Zamboanga City. So, may AV Surfer dito sa KCC. So, naghanap ako ng headset that has a noise cancellation. So, I was able to get one. So, this is the Edifier High Resolution Audio ANC. So, this is the box. So, actually, na-unbox ko na to sa store, but it's for the purpose to check if it's functioning. So, first, it has a active noise cancellation, and it has a 40mm composite diaphragm driver, and it has environmental noise cancellation, and then it has ambient sound mode, multi-point connection, and foldable design. So, this is so cute talaga, very aesthetic, and very girly for me. So, naka-plastic. So, here na siya. And there you go. So, this one po. So, this is, oops. So, let's set it aside. Okay, so, this is what it looks like. Tapos, yung kanyang manual. And, yung kanyang cord. It's a Type-C cord. Disclaimer, hindi po ako marunong masyado sa mga technical vocabulary. So, this is okay, so mga safety information lang po, and it is the manual. Okay, so I bought this for about 2,632 pesos. Okay, so let's skip lang the receipt kasi meron siyang 6 months warranty. So it looks like, so we just put it in. Okay. So naka-plastic yung mismo headset, and look at this. Oh, ang ganda niya, promise. Ay, natatakot pa. Masira ko yung plastic. Kasi I'm still going to keep this kasi wala pa akong organizer for my headset. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And then, pwede siyang twist off to half. Ayan. And like that. So, nandito na yung button. So, we have the on and off button. Tapos yung volume at yung Bluetooth. And ganito siya. Okay, so, this is also adjustable. Yan. So, according sa head size natin or comfortability. So, yan. So, it's really cute. And, what else? Dito pa rin kanyang charging port. Okay, it's a charging port. And then, wala. I'm so happy with my purchase. And, may 3 options. Yung first is, maririnig mo pa talaga yung background noise or yung sa mga environment niya. Yung second option niya is, mawawala yung parang extra noise niya. Okay, yung mga extra noise. And then, yung third option is, parang kang nakasakay sa aeroplano tapos nagkakaroon ka ng air pocket as in wala ka nang maririnig na hangin. So, yun yung options niya. So, parang hindi mo talaga maririnig yung mga background noise. Okay? So, that would be all. I hope you like it, yung purchase ko. And, bye!